Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. Or if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Agnes and my channel is The Sunday Stylist. I'm a YouTuber from Brisbane, Australia, and I make videos on anything related to basically living your best life. So whether that be cleaning motivation, home organization videos, or anything to do with personal productivity. There's also the occasional mini haul thrown in for good measure, especially if you like stores for organization like Kmart Australia and IKEA, which are my two absolute favorites. I hope everyone had an awesome Christmas and is looking forward to whatever plans you have for your New Year's Eve celebration. So it's currently New Year's Eve here in Australia. It's about 6:30 in the morning and I am finally getting around to recording a voiceover for a video that I recorded a month ago. December has been a hectic, crazy, busy month. I've actually started a new job within my organization, and for the last month I have been doing my old job and my new job concurrently. On Christmas Eve we just hired someone to replace my old position who is going to be starting in the new year. So in January I am only going to be doing my one new job. I'm going to be doing that 4 days a week, so I have one work day, so one weekday, child-free, house quiet, to be able to dedicate to just making YouTube videos, which I'm super excited about because it's been something that I've been trying to plan for the last 6 months. So if you're new here or if you don't already know, I am a single parent, so I am solely financially responsible obviously for my two children. I have two children turning 8 and 13 next year. So obviously I can't dedicate all of my time to YouTube, although I'd love to do more. I have to focus on my real job so I can obviously provide for my kids. So that had to be my priority for December because I had to make sure everything was set up and in line for this new job to go ahead, and then to wrap up my old job with the organization as well. Obviously I didn't want to leave them in the lurch and not have anyone that could do what I was doing in the meantime. But in the end it's all worked out. It's taken a little bit longer than I expected or I hoped for, but I think it's going to be awesome and I'm really excited for 2020. So anyway, today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a deep cleaning kitchen and organization routine. As I said, this video was recorded at the end of November, so just on a month ago, but I still wanted to upload it. I hope you enjoy it and I'll be popping in later to have a little chat.
Daydreaming, feels like I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna be just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other. 'Cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place? Never wanted you to leave. 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah. I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh, 'cause I'm looking back. Yeah. I don't wanna be a memory. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. They feel like light as a fire. I don't wanna be a memory. Yeah. Oh, looking back. Yeah, yeah. Oh, looking back. So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can't find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave. No, stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave. No, stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down?
I thought I'd add in a quick snippet of what I bought from the grocery store. This was from a shopping trip at Aldi. I always like looking at what other people buy in their groceries, especially from overseas. It kind of gives you a little bit of inspiration, or you get to look at things that you probably can't get in your own country. Some things you can, some things you can't. But anyway, I always like having a look through other people's grocery hauls. So this isn't in detail, but it's just a quick overview of what I picked up for this week. Obviously having 2 boys, one almost 13 and one turning 8. It is crazy how much they eat, so I feel like I am going grocery shopping probably twice a week. Given the size of our kitchen and our pantry, obviously we can't stock up too much because there's just no storage space in our tiny apartment. So I kind of feel like sometimes I am constantly grocery shopping. I have to make the absolute most of the limited storage space in this kitchen. I do have more of a kitchen organization tour that I've filmed previously. I will leave it linked in case you're interested. I always get a lot of questions about these storage containers. They are from Kmart Australia and they are awesome. So they stack on top of each other, so they take up all your vertical space, and they do have sections. So in the compartments you can store different kind of lunchbox snacks and different foods. And they make the absolute most of really limited pantry space in this tiny, tiny kitchen.
Friends, no, no, yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things, yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, that is just about it for this video. I am so glad to be back making videos on YouTube. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but I have just had some other priorities that I've had to take care of. I hope you have a fabulous New Year's wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel in 2019, and I cannot wait to see you guys all in 2020 with a ton of new content and heaps of new videos back on my regular uploading schedule. Have a safe and happy New Year, and I will see you all in 2020. Bye everyone.